beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? If today is your first time of coming across my video, please just don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video you get notified. I don't want to waste anybody's time, so I'm just gonna dive right into the video. This video is about Shein haul that I got. I've had them for, this is my third ordering from them, so I decided to do a product review that I got from their website, so that if you don't know, you can actually go get your product from there or get your stuff from there, because they sell a very good stuff and in a cheaper rate. Okay, like $1, $2, $3, really cheap. Okay, so guys, first of all, what I have here is this table mat. This is what my light is showing, don't mind, this is my light. So this the mat for my table that I use. I had one before from them, but I stopped using it when I saw this one. It came with this hand pillow. It's very cute. I'm going to insert all the prices on, I'm going to insert them on the screen of my video. Okay, so I have this one, came like this, very nice. It's for my clients or my sister or me. We can put our hand when I'm making the nails, and then it will be really easy for me to do their nails. Okay, and this is a makeup something, I don't know, but I ordered this because of my cutting wool, so I can just put my cutting parts here. This is what I use to clean the surface of the nails of my client when I do their nails. So I have this one here. It came with this cover, so nice, so I don't have to dip my hands from here. All I need to do is to take the stuff from here. Okay, so you guys can actually order this one. I think this one is from their makeup section, so I got this from their makeup section, and it came with this cover also. I have this cute little box here. I told you guys that I love pink. It came with, so what is here, right, is my clips, my cuticle pushers, my stuff, just a bunch of stuff that I use to do nails. You can see. So, and I can also use it to travel. Okay, I can also use this to travel. So it's like this. Just put my stuff here, and then I'll just clip it back. I have this one. I did this video because I already fixed the stuff to what I want to use them for, so I think it's better so that you guys can actually know if you want to order it, and then know what to put inside. Because of that, I use for now my sanding band, sorry, not sanding band, my, what is it called, my file, my nail file. This is my nail file. This is my dusting brush. I used to dust brush. This one I used to dust glitter from the nails, and this is my buffer. So this is very small. This container is very small, so I decided to put this stuff in here so that at least I can just bring out my hand like this, and then I can get my stuff from there. This cuticle drip bit container. I have other containers that I was using before, but for some reason it broke, and then when I was on Shein, I saw this and I decided to grab it. I didn't know it was this big. It's very big. Like, I still have more space to put my my drip bits if I want to, if I have more. But this is very nice. It came in so handy. So when I saw it on their website, I decided to pick it up. It's very cute, and you see the color. It came in different colors, but I picked this pink color because I love it, and it came with this cover like this. I've started using this one since last month, so it's kind of dusty. Please don't mind. It came like this. Can close it, but just be careful, because when you try to carry it like this, everything is going to fall off because the cover is not tight enough, right? Okay, I have this one here. You guys can see what I made by saying I arranged everything so that you guys can see how I used it. These liner brushes, I have some of my liner brushes here, so I really need space I just have a little corner in my room where I do this whole of this my polygel channel. So basically I have two stands that I put my stuff in there. So when I got this stuff, it was really easy for me because I just section all what I need inside one box. So it came really handy. I love it. It came in milk color, not white. This is not white. Might be showing white on the camera, but it's milk color. So it came in this color and I really loved it. Good. Next I have this little drawer that also came, that I also ordered. Even let me put this aside, I'm gonna review those later. This one, you can see it's dusty. I'm sorry, I started using it. This was the first order that came from Shein. So it's like this. I don't know if you guys can actually see it. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, I put some stuff in here which I don't want to take out because it's gonna be too much work for me. So I don't want to take it out. I have, it's like this, and it came in this drawer, this little drawer, this cute little drawer, and it came in pink and white. It came in pink and white, so I can just put, I have some stuff here. See if you guys, yeah, I think you guys, I have some stuff here. I just put this here because there was no space for me to put them. I put them here, and then I just, when I take whatever I want to take, I push it back. It's just a little drawer with this cute little space underneath. So I just push my stuff and I push it back. It closes. These are little cute, it's blue anyways, but it's okay. This little cute trash can, it's just for me to put, it's like, it opens like this, and I put my trash here, and then I also close it back. When it's full, I just go to I just dispose it basically. So yeah, that's this one. It can open and it can close. I don't want to open it because I have some stuff in here that I don't want to show you guys. Okay, yeah, so I got this one from, I also got this one. No, I also got this one. So it's so cute. I like it, even though it's not pink. But the reason I love it is that I can just open it and I put my stuff in here and I close it back. When it's full, I just go to my garbage and I throw it out. Okay, that's what I do with this. Next I have these two cuticle oil. They are both the same. Let me keep one, both the same. I just decided to order two because I don't want to keep going back and forth to order from Shein. So it's like this. This is from their cuticle area, their oil area that I got this from, and it says it's cuticle oil, blooming nail cuticle oil. So I also got this one, and it smells so good. It smells so amazing, guys. I love the smell of this cuticle oil. See, it came like a polished thing in, I don't know. So all I do is to apply it on here, and then it smells so good. All I do is just to apply it, and then boom, I have my nails shining like this. So I decided to grab some, and it's this. I grabbed two. Next I have this divider. This divider came like this. It came in a pack of 3. No, I bought 3, and it came in a pack of 2. You have tool inside. So I use it to divide my wardrobe that I put my stuff in, and also I use it to divide my other stands that I put my stuff in. So it came in, I bought 3, but it came in 2. 2 is inside one pack, so in total I got 6. So you can also break this one. I saw this on Amazon, but it was coming in like 40, 25, 30. I'm like, I don't need 30, I don't need 25, neither do I need 40. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna leave my stuff like that. But I was foolish. So I went into Shein to order some nail stuff. So when I was just scrolling down, I saw this. I said, oh wow, this is this. And I think, I don't know, I'm gonna insert the price of this item. So I decided to get 2 and it worked, and I still have more left. I still have 1.5 left. Next, I have this whole false nails. I'm not going to start bringing each and every one out. It's a lot. So guys, I have different sizes. I have coffin. I have different shapes. I have coffin, I have almond, I have square, I have cilantro. Everything is here. I don't want to start bringing them out. It's a lot here, so I don't want to stress myself by bringing them out. But you can actually get this also from Shein. They have a lot. This container is really long, so it fits everything. It fits everything perfectly, even though it's popping out. I don't really care because I just push them back down and then boom, it's back to normal. So it's like this. Okay, you can actually. Next, I have this cute little box here, guys. This box is so cute, especially when it came in different colors. You can see it came in different colors. So what I did when I saw this, I have it's like a storage box. You can see I just open it. I still have this too that is empty, that I don't have anything inside, so I'm just gonna use this as an example so I don't need the wrong way, like this. So I just open it like this, and I have all my stones here, different sizes, the large, medium, small, extra small. Let me just use this one as an example for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna close this. So let me use this one. Okay, you can see I have different stones here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have different stones in here. This one is small, S small. This is large, medium, small, and S small. This stone is very small. You can see it's very small. I also got this from Shein, so you can see them. So if you have something like this, you can actually order this container and then just section all your stones right inside. Okay, you can see this one is another stone. These stones came in different colors. Can you see? Yeah, it came in different colors. I also order this one from Shein. This one is it's only this one. These are my diamond rhinestone diamond but this one is from Amazon. Okay, I ordered this from Amazon. So yeah, this is very cute little box. So I have all this container inside. It came like this, and then it also came with this storage. So I just put my stones in here, and then boom, I close it. That's it. I also ordered, they have a lot of glitters. I don't want to bring this glitter out because it's gonna spoil this whole place. So I ordered this glitter that I use. I think I've used this one or this one, something, but I've used one of these colors and it's so good. So like when it sticks right away. So I have this one. I also ordered this one from their website. Please guys, this video was very long. I had to split it into 2 parts. Okay, this is gonna be the part 1 and I'll upload the part 2 later. Please, if there was any noise, I am sorry because my window is right across the street. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.